third one I see. Been back to back. The one I recorded was the second one. I thought I was getting the first one. It looks like it was a third one there. There goes another one. See if another one goes by. There it is. I think Starlink would be a lot more together, like in a row. I'm not fully zoomed in. I'm pretty zoomed out so you can see. That's zoomed in there. They're all disappearing under the chemtrail there, it looks like. Let's see if we get a fifth one. There's a fifth one. Look at that. One going up that way. There goes a sixth one. All in the same general area, going the same general direction, except for that one that came the opposite way. I haven't really seen them pop out like further out there. They seem to disappear there. There's, let's see, is that another one? Yep. There goes another one. There goes one the opposite way. They're gonna crisscross right there. There goes another one. Where are we at? Like 12? I'm here ordering some food down the block from the house. I kind of don't want to stop because these things keep popping out. trippy. I need to go check in with my food. We'll get back to it. Maybe we'll try it live. Maybe it's still happening. All right, we're back on it. I went and grabbed the pager just in case they need to notify me. But all that's happening right up here. All right, looks like that rhythm kind of slowed down there. There's actually a little more over here. And I'll be able to check it out from the house. We're up the hill a bit over here. Give you a time right now too. Let's see. (6:36). Maybe we could find out if satellites are going around that time somehow. Sheriff's Department rolling up. I don't know why. Good evening. All right. They're just here to order some food, I think. They pulled up right here, and I was like, hold on, what's going on here? They're just satellites. It's LA Sheriff's. Alright, this is pretty weird. So the sheriffs, I went to go get my food, and I said good evening to them. They grabbed food, and I had my little pager. I opened my truck, and as soon as they got their food, they were leaving. I got paged, and I went to go get my food, and they kind of walked back like if I was gonna do something or something. And I thought that was funny, but they turned around and left. But my truck is out of battery now, so I find that kind of odd. Luckily, I got this with me. So I'm gonna jump it really quick. All right, we got it going. That was kind of odd. Luckily, I had this thing going. But yeah, right after all that happened, the truck went out. Just paying attention to weird things when we're checking out weird experiences. Could be satellites and could be nothing. I don't know.